Yo, what's up guys, it's Pyagos, the CryptoPy, and today we're going to be talking about Bitcoin, guys, because that indicates what the market's doing, right? And yeah, let's just take a look real quick. Alright, so when we press F5 here, we refresh, we see the market cap's at 369 billion, guys, but better off, let's get into the charts and let's see what's going on. So you see directly that we're dumping at the moment. Alright, I didn't predict this. Okay, so I thought we would honestly go a little bit higher. I mean, we hit like 98. Remember the video I once made that, I said I don't like playing the 4 to 5? Well, that is exactly the reason, guys. The 4 to 5 fails quite often. So, basically what this means is, we had this was a perfect, right? This was a 1 to 1. So we had a 1, 2, 3, and then we had a 4, but the 5 didn't go, guys. Alright, I mean, do we have to see it like this right now? I mean, 1, 2, and then a 3 and 4, and then this a 5. I mean, it could, right? Basically you would get something like that, and then we bashed through. That is a little bit, it could, but also, guys, you see the cloud. Basically, I didn't want to go out of the 1 hour cloud, so the cloud indicates a lot, and we're about to fall through this. Now, you could be trying to nibble and buy back in here, guys. Right at this bottom, right? Not bad. Maybe we're gonna make a triple bottom. Perhaps we're gonna make some kind of we might make a triple bottom. Who knows, right? Who knows? If we take a look at the Fibonacci, so if this really was the 5 ways, guys, then the 786 is right here at 86, and we have 886 at 85, which coincides with these wicks right here. It could perhaps do that. But this is all looking at the 1 hour, guys. Let's zoom out a little further. Let's take a look at the 4 hour. When we had this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, we have this A, B, C, and I said the C is done. However, we don't know if it's done, right? The C doesn't necessarily need to be done yet. So yeah, that's where we're at right now. C could also be down here. But guys, before I go further into the charts, I do want to show you guys this real quick. On Twitter, we have Angelo Bitcoin, guys. Whether you respect the man or not, the fact is that he is and was the best Bitcoin trader on BitMEX for a long time. All right, we've seen him go from 2,000 Bitcoin to 3,000 Bitcoin within like 2-3 weeks. That just tells you this guy knows how to trade, right? Whether you like him or not. He doesn't tweet all that often, but when he tweets, it's very relevant. So it's well worth to follow this guy. Also follow me, guys, but definitely follow Angelo as well, because what he has tweeted out 3 hours ago is most of you have no business using leverage. Is it 3 hours? Let me see. Yeah, 3 hours ago. So most of you have no business using leverage. Don't be the one who gets liquidated under 10k before we hit 14k Bitcoin. Alright, and I can see where he's coming from. Right, there's several things that indicate down to 13-14k, because if you look at, if we do take this at the top and we go down here, right, you see the 14k is a 1-to-1 ratio. So this is 1, 2, and he would play a 3. I can see that happening. Guys. So it could be, right, that this is a big 1, 2, and then a 3, right? So if we draw this out, and he doesn't like playing the 4 either, 4 to 5. Most good traders don't, because it's dangerous. So 14, see, so. And then you will get something like this, a 4, and then a 5 up to 17, right? That is something that I could see happening as well, guys. So yeah, I agree. And this is not the only thing. There's another thing with that I learned from Trade Devil. He trades mostly algos and not so much the Elliott wave, even though he does trade the Elliott wave. But if you take this and you put this at the top here, right? You see we hit a 618 now on pretty common level for algos. To why they buy around here is because they want to sell at the negative 0.236, which is around 13.1k. If it just spikes up a little bit further from that, it's 14k. You also get to this this price action here, you know, this coincides as well. So, you know, you just have a lot to think about, right? When you put this 14k level, that is a lot. That's a big level, all right? So guys, keep 14k in mind, right? And that also means we would break out of this long-term downtrend. And why he says to pick up 14k, it's because remember 4 to 5 doesn't always go. So what if 4 is a fail? Basically, it goes through the 1 here, you know, it goes lower, then it's a fail. But a 2 to 3 is not often failing. So, you know, keep this in mind, guys. Keep this scenario in mind. So we have a lot of confluence here. I mean, we have the negative 236. We have a 1-to-1 ratio. It's a lot of things that, you know, that are in place. So, you know, we just have to keep that in mind. And on top of that, we have the best trader on BitMEX, and in my opinion, the best crypto trader out there, stating that he wants to go to 14k. So, guys, even though he's not in the ranking right now, he either withdrawn or he has asked the support to take him off the list, because it gives you a lot of pressure, right? Being on that #1 spot all day. You know, everyone listens to you like you're a god, and he's a really good trader, guys. So yeah, but definitely keep that in mind, right? So yeah, guys, do I think we're just gonna boom and make new lows right now? We could, because does it change the fact a lot, guys? If this is a 1, and we're only looking at the Elliott wave right now, let's say we would go all the way instead of the, actually at the 65, then a 1-to-1 is still 13.8, but if we hit the 7886, then a 1-to-1 is 13, where a 1.272 is a 14.6. So, do I think this is the bottom? It's very likely, but we could definitely fall through, but it's not that easy. So look at what happened last time we were in this price zone, guys. Right? A lot of people are super bearish now, you know, now they see this, but you have to keep this in mind, guys. All this price action here, we're just consolidating there. Why wouldn't we just consolidate a little higher, so on top, right, in this zone again? It's just, you know, I don't see it just falling through, guys. It's too much price action here to just fall through. Because keep in mind, I'm looking at the 4-hour here, you know, I'm not looking at a 1 hour or anything. You know, it's a lot of price action here. So yeah, that's what I think, guys. And I'll definitely be buying some around here, you know, around the bottoms again, because a triple bottom is not that uncommon. And why not? Maybe we put a slightly higher low here, and it's a good time. Basically, guys, well, I don't want to tell you what to do, but I'm accumulating in this zone, guys. Right? I'm accumulating in this zone. So yeah, that is what I'm doing, guys. You do what you do, right? Yeah, so that is pretty much my update on Bitcoin, right, guys? So in short, guys, follow me on Twitter, follow Angelo Bitcoin on Twitter. His tag is Angelo BTC. Mine is just /Pygos, obviously. So yeah, I mean, and definitely just think of that 14k target, guys. Right? Think about that, and don't get liquidated below 10k. Like he said, if you're on spot holdings, you have nothing to worry about, guys. Bitcoin's not just going to 2k or whatever. You hear it on other channels right now, but 2k, 3k, no, not for now. All right, maybe later, but definitely a bounce, guys. All right, so we will definitely need a bounce. Any sane trader would tell you that. If they tell you right now 4k, well, we're at 9k. No, guys, no. So yeah, just play the trade, just trade the price action, guys. Trade the patterns, trade the Fibonacci's. Don't think about lower lows right now, okay? It could happen, you could get capitulation, but from here, like all the way, that's like a low. RSI can't handle that right now, guys. We're not doing that. So, you know, like I said, I'm buying around these lows, guys. You know, and obviously I'll have a stop under the 65. But that is how I'm playing this, guys. And you know, you have to decide what you're gonna do. And I'll get back into my spot holdings right down here. I see the 8.5 as a big zone because of all this price action. Could it get back? Could it get down here? Yes, because all the price action here, right? But right now, basically, you can see what we bounced on. You know, before I end this video, what we bounced on, guys. Let me put on magnets. Right. Oh, right there, right? So turn off again. Basically, this is where we bounced on. You see that? So that line is very important. That line is very important. So yeah, guys, keep that in mind. Previous price action is very strong there. We had some good buys coming in there. So you know, just play it the way you want to play it. But I believe Angelo more than any other trading analyst out there, because he changes from 2K to 3K Bitcoin in like 2-3 weeks, right? I don't see anyone else doing that, guys. So you know, because it's hard to play with a lot, all right? So you need to be very confident in your own trades in order to do that. So yeah, you know, keep that in mind. And you know, and the 1 2 3 4 5 ABC, that's just also perfect. So why not, right? Why not have a 1, a 2, and then a 3 to the 14K? So I'll leave you at that, guys. 14K is the target, based on not only Angelo, but we also derived it ourselves now, you know. So once again, it's this right here, right? It's your Elliott wave. It's then your 3 wave right up here in the 14K. So also the price action, and we have the negative 236 at the 1.313. So I mean 1.3, I mean 13.1, right? So yeah, guys, that is basically it. Also, guys, if you're not in my Telegram yet, join up with the CryptoPies blog. You know, where where we just talk among each other, where you can ask me any questions, where you can ask other people questions, where we post charts. It's just a big chat box to be in. It's nice to hang out here. You know, I also post about Angelo right here, guys. Also, join up with the CryptoPies feed, where I post all my videos, post all my announcements, I post about ICOs, upcoming ICOs. However, guys, keep in mind that ICOs are risky in the bear market, because you know, ICOs tend to just do the same thing as all the other coins, so they just go under ICO price. So we don't want to see that, right? So yeah, guys, both telegrams will be in the description below. And if you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe, hit that post notification button, and if you got any questions at all, leave a comment below, and I'll see you guys in the next video.